Bass heads, what's good? Welcome to another video. Let's get into Funkify Your Life by The Meters. This is off the 1977 album, New Directions. I had the honor and pleasure of playing with Zigaboo for many, many years. Of course, this is George Porter's line on bass. And so, matter of fact, I just played a thing. Well, we were on the same bill with Leo Rosentelli, but that's a story for another time. Anyway, let's talk about some of the key ingredients of this bass line. First thing we need to take a look at is the A minor pentatonic scale. I am currently using the MXR envelope filter. That's the effect that you're hearing. That's the link below. Check it. Let's expand that just a little bit. I'm from New Orleans. Listen, you can't make gumbo without a roux. The minor pentatonic scale is like the roux in funk music. You can't have funk music without having the pentatonic scale or the minor pentatonic scale. So another shape we're going to look at is the box shape. Foundational, root, fifth, flat seven, octave. You've heard this. You've heard that, right? You've heard that before. So now we're just going to change up the rhythm. That's it. We're just changing the rhythm. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I'm just kidding. So we're going from the root, flat 7, 5, up to the minor 10th, back to the root. I played the blues scale. What made it a blues scale is just that note right there, that flat 5. Right? So that's the main idea of the line. Now watch this. This is the second part of the line. Okay? From F sharp, G, G sharp, A. I said in a video, a few videos back, I was saying that the octave shape, man, is so foundational. And if you have, if you're curious about that, or if you struggle, like, you cannot play octaves like this. I mean, you can, but you're going to have some injuries after a while. When I play octaves, I'm playing the first finger and the pinky. Right? So that's the first part of the line. Here's the second part. Theme and variation. You dig? Pretty easy to get with. Now, playing fills, I don't even know what I played. Let's stick with that. So I went the root, because I'm just, there's our A minor pentatonic right there. So I went root, the flat 5 or sharp 4, whichever you want to call it, from the blues scale. And I just jump back down to the groove. You see what I'm saying? Hey, if you like this video, like it. I know it was fast, but you can slow it down. You can look at the timestamps. You can come back to it over and over and over again. Yes, you can. Subscribe to the channel. It's fun around here. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.